HG Squad. Welcome back to an episode of Is It Worth It? So today's episode with this cool missing product right here. And basically what this is a charging case for your batteries for your GoPro devices. If you guys can see it from this brand in particular right here. So let me actually open up the product first to show you guys what's actually included before I should test out the product. Alright, so when you guys first open it up, you can see that is basically what it looks like right here. So they do give you guys an instruction manual to teach you guys how to set up and how to use the product. If you open the bottom part here, you guys can see the actual product stuff right there. So let's take it out and see what else is inside. So here's this part, but I want to show you guys what else is inside first. So on the very bottom, they do provide the cable right here, and the cable is a USB to a USB-C, and that is basically everything that's included inside. Let's take a look at the actual product stuff right here. Alright, so you can see that this is basically what the product looks like. So they do have this little option right here where you can actually carry around if you guys want to like that. You guys can press this button right here to open it up, and the back part right here, they do have a slot for you guys to open up. When you guys open up the slot right here, you guys can see that there is a USB-C output right here, so you can plug in the cable to activate it. And they do have this little hole right here, and that's for this slot right here to go inside to seal it up like this. If you guys can see, so just like that. The overall product definitely feels pretty nice. It definitely feels like a high quality material. But let's press this button to open up and see what's inside. Alright, so you can see that once we open it up, this is basically what it looks like inside. So they give you guys 1, 2, 3 of these replacement batteries if you guys want to plug it into your GoPro devices. And the top part right here, they do have the little slot where you have to put in your TF card. So that's actually really cool how they have this option right here. So that way you guys can put your TF card in here and keep it organized, especially if you guys have extra ones available. But basically once you guys are done using it, you guys can close it up and then plug in the cable to recharge the product. So before I plug in the cable to show you guys how that works and when it actually works, let's test out the battery to see what actually worked first. So I'm going to take out one of these batteries right here. So when you take out the battery, you can see that this is basically what it looks like. So this one's for GoPro Hero 9 and it's made from the brand that I show you guys right here. And right here we have the GoPro Hero 9. Let me replace the battery to show you guys how it works. So I just want to open up the slot right here and see the battery inside. So I can take out the GoPro battery right here and pull it out. And you can definitely fit the GoPro battery inside here if you guys want to. So just like this, push it in and it locks in. As for the other one that we have right here, we can just put it inside right here. So just like that. And then for the TF card, I want to take it out. Once we take out the TF card, you guys can put it inside right here. So you can either put it right here or these two slots right here. Let me show you what I mean. Alright, and we see right there. So that's one slot where you have to put your TF card if you guys want to. If you guys don't want to put it there, you can definitely put it here as well. Alright, so you see that you guys can put it there or you can put it here as well. So there's 1, 2, 3 different slots where you have to actually put in your TF card to keep it organized if you guys want to. Also, another cool thing about this product is the fact that if you guys want to put your TF card inside right here, you guys actually plug in the cable to transfer the files from here onto your computer or laptop as well. In terms of charging the product, if you can see, it does use a USB-C cable to recharge it. So you can definitely plug in like a wall charger, you can plug into your laptop, or you can also plug into a power bank as well to recharge it. So for this test, I'm going to show you guys how to recharge it using the power bank that I have. So let's do that first. So I'm going to use the cable that they provide for us here, and I'll plug it into my power bank that we have right here. So I'm going to plug in the cable right here. Alright, so we got it plugged in. If you can see in the front right here, they do have the indicator light to show you guys when it's charging. So basically when the product is fully charged, you guys can see a green light. But the product is still charging, then you will definitely see like a red light right here. So the time that it actually takes for you guys to fully charge this product from 0 to 100 should take you guys roughly around 2.5 hours. So if you guys really think about it, it's kind of like a power bank for your batteries for your GoPro device, which is pretty cool. But I definitely love the overall design of the product because it definitely has that very nice texture and design on the actual case or the actual product itself right here. And for the case for the actual product itself right here, it is waterproof once you guys see the back part right here. But that is basically everything that's on the product. Now that we're unboxing and testing on the product, now the answer question of whether or not it's actually worth it or not. So for this product in particular, I would definitely have to say that it is pretty worth it if you guys want one or need one of these. Especially if you guys have like the GoPro Hero 9 or if you guys have the older versions. They actually have this available for both the GoPro Hero 9 and the old version as well. So if you guys want like a battery charger and extra batteries and extra slot for you to plug in like your TF cards to keep everything all organized, then I would definitely have to say that this product is super worth it. But then obviously for those guys who don't want or don't need one or have one of these, then obviously don't buy one and save your money for something else that actually you do need. So that's basically everything for this video itself. If you guys like this video, make sure to smash that like button in the bottom. That will definitely help this video out, and it will definitely help with the algorithm as well to promote more videos for you guys so you guys can see more of the videos or similar videos as well. But as always, make sure to stay positive, be you, and I'll see you guys in the next episode of Is It Worth It? Peace.